Every week, over 10,000 new products join the TVCMALL platform, bringing the world's latest mobile accessories straight to your business and keeping you ahead of trends. From 1,000 plus partner brands and factories to the dynamic Wachangbei electronics market, our sourcing network never stops discovering new potential. Behind every new listing stands a professional team, from product sourcing experts and photographers to content editors, all ensuring speed and precision. With a streamlined process, thousands of products go from market to online in days, ensuring you always get what's new. All product data, images, descriptions, specifications can be integrated directly into your system via API or downloaded anytime you need. From small retailers to global distributors, our partners worldwide get instant access to the latest arrivals every week. 10,000 plus new arrivals every week. With constant updates, your store stays fresh, your customers stay engaged, and your business keeps growing week after week.